Gonna type in
Alright.
chat. If I just didn't follow Alex, I would be rich as a troll. No, kidding, kidding. Uh,
Right.
no, no.
Yeah, I'm just saying I might be in the background, but yeah, nice talking to you guys.
Yep.
Okay. Take care, brother.
Take
We
care.
already, we are always here for you.
Thank you, thank you.
Yeah. Yeah, we're still at previous week low now, right here.
Same
This H
spot. We
pattern.
have not moved.
Yeah.
680.
Yeah. So I think this could still hold. That's the okay. So I'm kind of painting my thesis here now with this H not going directly to the lows here. I think that we possibly hold here if we see buying on the open.
Yeah, we could. Still holding here. It's a tough spot.
Yeah, could still sell. So, but yeah. I think my thesis is changing a bit from the pre-market here right now, but that could also be covering. So maybe just deep sell and yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
680 right now. Interesting.
Oh yeah, Rich is gonna be at work for probably a few weeks now, right? Yeah.
Yep. Few weeks.
Oh.
He's gonna be doing training, I think. Something like that.
Yeah, for 4 weeks, right? I think I remember. Yeah.
It's
Rich
a
should
long time
already
for
miss you.
training.
Yeah.
Keys kind of broke down though, based on the
Yeah.
close. Based on a close,
But
we lost structure a bit, but we're still technically holding here at the low.
you back tested the flag, right? And sold. Yeah. No, the wedge, I mean.
Yep,
Yeah,
right here.
with the
Yep.
H pattern. Yeah. Tested, sold.
It's actually quite nice.
So
Very
yeah.
nice, actually.
Yeah. Alex was so bullish he could not see it, but now he sees it. No, it's yeah.
But yeah, we're still
It was
sitting at
weird
equal
though.
lows here. So
Yeah, the H pattern, right? So it's kind of. Oh, wait, you're looking at the daily. Why do I have the daily? Wait. Mm. Oh yeah. You don't plot the previous week low. Are you? Oh, you don't do 50 EMA. Yeah, we're right at the 50 EMA here on the first low and this second low on the daily.
yeah, it was almost looking like a failed breakdown, but yeah, we sold it there. So that turned around pretty quickly, actually. That was looking like it was going to get a nice crossover. I think if we actually got that, it would have been probably a nice pull to new all-time high, I'd say. But yeah, this did sell, which is a little bit concerning.
I sent in the main chat my daily. You see, hold the 50, went above previous week low, still holding previous week low on the H pattern. So this could still be a higher low, possibly, for me, if we don't want to see this breakdown more. And
Yeah,
if it does, we should test the 200 instead. This would be, yeah.
we should. Yeah, we still have to clear below this 596 on Qs. Is what we'll look for, I guess.
Didn't play any chess, Alex.
No, I was so busy this weekend.
Yeah. I didn't even play once.
I didn't even get on my
Yeah.
computer. Actually, no, I lied. I did to do my class, but that's it. What else? A nice GP rejection. Look at that. Apple. Very nice. Very nice. Very nice. Nice little lower high. Daily imbalance. Filled. Back to short. Sold it. Back down to support. Filled imbalances. Yeah, that was really nice. Microsoft is right back to 400 here. Still could
Yeah.
hold, actually. I still like this overall. But yeah, decent. Still sitting GP. Maybe setting up an H setup, but we could also be a higher low here. We had a nice hammer close right here on the daily. That kind of propelled us up. Sold down a bit where you're just filling this inbound, so which actually is kind of a good thing. You could actually still hold here probably. Fill that imbalance there. Holding it. Yeah, I guess we just have to see here. This is kind of like a falling wedge here, almost.
Yeah.
Which
Yeah,
typically
it's
is a bullish
bullish.
structure, yeah. Reversal structure here. Looks kind of good. Google sold some more. Oh, down to 300 here. Nice psych level. Makes sense. And the liquidity right here on the left. We're sitting at 300 right now. I kind of want to say we should still have room down to like 280, actually. 280
Not
kind of
too-
seems like a nice area.
280? I was looking at 290, 291. Wait. Oh yeah, yeah. Look on the.
Like 285
I see.
in the middle.
Three oh six is previous week low. So you're right there on the sticker. Oh, we're
Mhm.
slightly under. Yeah, yeah, we are under. Gap down and yeah, went under it.
Yeah, we have liquidity to take out. 296. Weekly liquidity wick. So all this imbalance down to 292.
Yeah,
I'd
that
say it
was
looks better.
what I was looking for.
Mm. Yeah, I think like 280 might be a little bit better. Although 240 looks the best. 246. But I guess we'll see.
Yeah, we need that breakdown on the daily to continue then on Qs.
Mm-hmm.
That pattern. I think. I looked at Sophie, by the way. I think it's very expensive. I cannot see.
$19?
I looked at the company, not the chart. I looked at the chart also. I think the chart looks better than the. If you just compare it to like fintech, like I mean even PayPal are fintech, so then it's
Mm-hmm.
super expensive.
Yeah. Yep.
Yeah. Like 7 times as expensive still. These levels.
Yeah, that's why I said with like these new startup banks, it's pretty hard to gauge what's a good price for them, even though the chart looks
Mhm.
decent. So yeah, I probably
Yeah.
wouldn't size a lot with them if I were to get them.
But you know, if the organic, if it's gonna get bigger and bigger,
Mm.
it could be not as expensive as it looks. So that's the hard part. If it's gonna grow a lot, or
They do have a nice stadium. I'll say
like,
that. They have a nice stadium.
oh, see, okay.
Very
It's hard for me to do that calculation on a company when I am not in USA. That's in like that,
Mm.
because in Sweden I would know if the younger people are using it or not, stuff like that,
Yeah.
and it make a big difference.
It's
I
newer.
mean,
I think decent amount of people use them. Decent amount of people use them. I think most like it.
Mm.
Although, like I said, maybe just like kind of a momentum thing right now where everybody's trying to get into it. But I guess we'll see. Alright, what time is it? 9:24. I did not post that on my calendar. I do need to post that.
Yeah, I was just looking at it and I was like, wait, this is the wrong date.
A lot of data this week.
But less earnings, right? No, a lot of them have. Maybe not.
I think we have yeah, minutes on Wednesday or tomorrow. Oh, it's Tuesday already. Wow.
Yeah. And we had a very long weekend.
It felt like a long weekend.
Yeah, yeah.
Kind of missed
Quite
trading.
nice. Oh, really? Oh. I was psyched for today though, so that's a good sign. Sometimes I'm not psyched at all
Hmm.
on Monday. Yeah, depends. Doesn't matter, of course, but. Mm. I'm filling imbalance here at 675, rejected. Large structure still. Payload here. Oh, 670 would be resistance.
Alright. There is the calendar for this week.
Homebuilder confidence today. Index. That's yellow folder, right? Yeah, it
Yeah,
is.
yeah.
Yeah, it
Yellow.
doesn't move. Probably. Fed. Minutes at 8. Or 2 for you, I mean. 8 in Swedish time. Fed capital. Okay. Kinda nice for how we're trading though. It's not that a lot of data
Yeah, it's
in
all
that
in the
way.
morning. It's all in the morning.
Yeah. Core PCE. Okay, PMI.
But it is a lot, though, I'll say that. It's a lot of data that's getting reported in the morning.
Yeah.
Literally every single day, right? Yeah, every single day this week.
Yep. Good morning, Hugo and Adam and Brian and
Everybody else.
Fitch.
Hope everybody had a good Valentine's Day. Had fun. Did something nice.
We did some easy spa retreat kind of thing.
Very nice. Very nice.
Yeah, some food, yeah. And then candy and movie. Yeah, nothing really aggressive. Then I climbed, and my girlfriend also. Sunday 4 hours, and I still have aches in my muscles.
Hmm.
Went for a 4-hour hard session. Oh my, I'm too old for that. Oh my god. Yeah. Was cooked yesterday. Watching like 10 episodes in a row, and like I cannot move from the sofa.
Might go back to 30 points. What do you think? For stop.
I think 30 35 is like, I think, no, I don't want to say what you're gonna do, but yeah, I don't dislike 30. I think it's
I think 30 is kind of valid now. I don't think it's that bad. At least from what we've seen last week. I might bring that back down to 30. Actually, I
last
will.
week you would not be hitting any stop loss with 30.
Yeah. That's what I mean, yeah.
Yeah. But if you look months back, there were some cases where we got tagged on 1
Mhm.
point, but 5 points add up still over the span of
Mhm.
like 7 trades in a
Yeah.
week. That's one trade extra stop loss. So
Yeah, so I am gonna
it's
do 30 points. I'm gonna tell you now. Running 30-point stops. So in case you want to change your brackets and whatnot, because I just did that.
my calculating will be a lot easier though.
The extra
My
5 they're throwing you off, huh?
Yeah, so much. It's like, wait, is it 40 or is it 37 point? Or,
It's funny.
so stupid. I mean, interested to see if it's gonna try to hold or just sell.
Yeah.
Quite interesting for
We
me.
had a nice buy day on Friday, didn't we? Or something like that? When we were gone.
Oh, you was like, I kinda like bashed you a bit there on the thing. Oh, it's so good for long. So I was like, yeah, look at this. I got stuck in that. It went up, but damn it, like 50 points up, 50 points down, 50 points up, 40 points down.
Yeah, I
But
see.
yeah,
Kind of a flag here on a 5-minute, right? Flagging a bit. Well, we're trying to sell this. Maybe.
I don't know.
Below view up here.
I'm not at chart right now. I am taking poop out of my kid's butt.
Oh, okay. Nice. We have imbalance above us here. Trying to buy it. Getting some buying. Nvidia leading this. Flag is trying to actually break out here.
You like? I'm back. Oh yeah,
Yeah,
yeah. So
flag's
a lot of
breaking out.
buying. Wow. Yeah.
Chance, can you guys hear me?
Yeah, we can hear you.
Yep.
Up to 600 side here we should get on keys.
We have imbalance field to 772 here, which is
Yeah.
approximately 70 points from here.
Yeah, that's what I was kind of looking at here.
Nvidia going for this gap fill here at 182.8, I think. Yeah. Tesla sold.
Looks quite good.
Yeah. Wait, we up there, I think.
We're above view up
Oh,
across
maybe
the
we were
board.
wrong again.
Above view up across the board. NQ and
Carlos,
Qs
where
are
are you?
slightly different, but they're not that far off.
My view up
This would
is
be our
at
retest here for long, if we wanted long.
my view up is at 710.
657 on NQ. And then like 640 or 650 on keys. That was a retest long there. Break, I'll show you my screen. That's where view up is, right at resistance from the
What?
flag break.
Yeah, why is mine so wrong? Do anyone use TradingView? Do you have your view up? Where Alex have?
I have it as 55.
Yeah.
Okay, mine is wrong then. Yeah, mine is wrong. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, then that was looking a lot better then. With that in mind.
That was actually a really nice retest.
It retested VWAP then, right? Yeah,
Mhm.
it did.
VWAP
This
9
VWAP.
EMA there.
Yeah. Solid
Damn.
buying pressure also there on the CVD on that retest.
Nice push here. 600. Apple leading this. Everything actually kind of looks decent here.
Yeah, except Tesla, everything looks good, but Tesla went into previous week low there. Google found buyers also at the 300 there. Yeah, CVD is going up a lot here. Should continue here.
Oh, nice, Hugo. No, he took my trade idea. Took the idea.
Oh. Jeez. Well done, Hugh. Awesome.
Might need to hire Hugo as an analyst.
Yeah. Okay, there's the feel of that higher time frame balance. Yeah, even Tesla bought up a bit there too, not low.
That was a perfect entry there, I think, for me. Tapping the
Yeah.
view up right at 50, 55 or so. View up 9 EMA, and then 30-point stop would be below that 5-minute range, right in like 620 or so. Would have been perfect, I think.
So now the question, why didn't you take it?
I don't know. We were
Too
too
near
busy,
open?
too busy trying to figure out where your view up was.
No, don't give it to me. I was just asking. Just wait. Not resetting. I don't know why. It's annoying. Everything got Carlos' fault and he's not here.
Filled the inbounds, by the way. Early inbounds up to 70, whatever it was.
On the 4 hour, this looks like a double bottom for now. With this
Yep.
previous week low holding. Awesome, Hugo.
That's why he's the goat. The goat.
Triple goated. Wonder where Carlos is. He didn't say he was gonna be out yesterday. Hope everything is fine. I played with him a bit.
Maybe he has a meeting or something.
Yeah, probably. It's been hectic for him at work, I know.
Looks like we're gonna pull for overnight high here.
Still the gap fill on Nvidia there. On the upside target. to 183, 182.9.
Back testing a little bit here. Some tickers have resistance. Not everything though.
I really like that first push there for the gap fill on Nvidia and some other tickers.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not 100% sure that we're gonna
Continue.
just
Here.
continue
Yeah.
higher.
This is kind of a
Not
short spot
100%
here.
sure, but
You'd want to see a lower high here based on the hourly. Right at 800 psych. So we actually initiate a breakout.
yeah, then this has room if it's gonna do that, right?
Mm-hmm.
Target 25k first, even.
Yep.
Right, I'm
Yep.
sure.
That would be first target. Yeah. Yeah. Lower high in the hourly, right where we're sitting at.
Mm.
Just shy of overnight high. We didn't quite get there yet.
Yeah, this is breaking above P hold. The night high 843. Okay. There's a nice structure there. Went low and got bought back up there.
Some tickers back testing here. We might sell this a little bit.
Yeah, we filled the gap down on that up move there to 800. Nasdaq.
Rejecting that lower high for right now. View up top here. Field imbalance.
Tesla reacted quite a lot with Microsoft there. Nvidia 9.3 under resistance there. I sell.
I was actually kind of thinking about shorting that too at that trend line.
Mm.
Actually would have worked. I wasn't really sure how much room we would pull down though. I guess VWAP would have been my target, which is, yeah, that's actually a lot of points.
Yeah, it made sense though.
I was just worried that we didn't tap into overnight high yet. Thought we were gonna maybe see one more leg up and then possibly reject, but
I
Yeah.
wasn't sure if this was gonna react this much, but see this going down here. I wasn't sure we was gonna see this deep of a backtest. I mean the high time frame could still sell this, and this was just a fill, and so hold on the open, drive up, resistance, sold down, heavy on that buy up.
structurally wise, buying Qs actually looks kind of weak here. A 5 minute. If we actually lose this, we should be able to take out new low of day and probably previous low of day. 5 minute higher low is where we're sitting at right now.
Slight increase in CVD here to the upside. I'm trying to buy it here.
That was at a bad short area, 700 retest. Not really deep enough for me though. Might go here though.
And Microsoft and Nvidia sold more there. Apple's
Yeah.
still strong here.
Tickers look weak besides Apple here.
Yeah.
Should be able to sell this. Wow, that was a nice backtest there. If you want backtest.
Yeah, my weave up doesn't. Incorrect. So.
See if you can get a backtest entry here. Take this down to P-Lod. Unless this gets bought on a higher low.
Preload for me is at 670. I don't know, what is this? What's wrong? Everything wrong
578
for
for me. 578.
Oh, yeah. Okay, I'm gonna calculate that everything is wrong for me. I don't know why.
670. Oh, so we're below P-Law then, for you.
Yeah.
Oh. Yeah, that's not accurate, I don't think. No, it's not accurate.
Yeah. It looks like everything calculated wrong. I'm just gonna not trust it today. Gonna refix everything later. Oh yeah, I tagged you out and sold each there on the 6th.
Still could get bought. Have a couple of seconds, 20 seconds left till this close. See how close. Looks weak though. I actually would like to take this.
I don't see the weakness in CVD yet, but could.
Yeah, I'm just looking at tickers for right now.
Oh.
Yeah, data at 10, yeah.
I don't think that data matters though.
Oh.
Oh yeah. Oh. There we had some selling on the CVD. Way too late.
Wow, that was instant 100 points.
Yeah.
Tickers at support now though. This would have been my target. P-Lot and maybe overnight low as well, possibly. I do want SPY to pull into previous low of day here as well.
Now the daily looks kinda ugly again though. So that's
Yep. Just back on the lower end of the range though. So we actually do still have to clear this. Below 550, I'd say. Yeah, I'd agree. Oh, man, I missed that short. I actually really like that. Did not think it was gonna go like that.
700 retest or
Yeah,
what do you mean
700
there?
retest. And even on that close, that 5-minute close right there, the close outside of structure. I wanted to see like a back test again though into like VWAP or something and then have it get sold, but
By chance, you guys, is Trinivate working? Times.
Yeah.
should be working. Yep.
Yeah, working perfect.
Looks working to me.
I cannot say anything about Tradeway doesn't work.
Yeah, we
Say
haven't
anything about
executed
it.
anything yet, so not sure, but
Yeah,
yeah,
but
it looks fine. Looks
But
fine.
others have. Yeah, the orders in Doom is going perfectly.
Yeah, I think someone else is mentioning their Trinovate's delayed as well.
Delayed? Oh no, it's not
Like,
delayed.
no,
at
I
all,
don't think so. No.
Okay.
No. I have CFD. The chart looks exactly the same. So no delay for me at all. Oh.
Should go overnight low here. And then SPY down to previous low of day, overnight low as well. Could be a possible buy area here. We do have data in 5 minutes actually.
Oh.
6 minutes. Maybe we just wait for that.
Yeah, now it makes sense to wait, I think. This was kind of aggressive sell though on that.
Mhm.
They didn't hold that higher time frame. They just go out and start selling again. The H pattern still going out here underneath.
Yeah, I think for me, stop right there. It should have been back above structure. I think 60 maybe was a little bit too tight. I think above 700 would have made a little bit more sense, but obviously, if that's where your entry was, yeah, 40 points risk. That might have been too much there. But structurally wise, it makes sense at 700 for me.
Did you get any profit on that, guys, or all be hit? I would be so surprised if we don't take out the lows here, though. Never mind. That's sold a lot there. Microsoft, Meta, kind of everything. Vego also. Yeah. Silver down 7%. Oh.
7% on silver? That's crazy.
Yeah, down. It has 72 now.
I think it could be a nice buy spot. Not 70. I need to look at the chart, but this big of a dip. Could be nice, could be nice. So over, so like 30 something, 40% from the highs, I think.
Yeah, 40.
It's a lot. It's a lot.
Yeah, CVD made a lower high there on that hourly structure with that reaction under.
Yeah, an hourly structure where we took out the lows there.
Yep.
It looks like we're trying to break it, but I guess we'll still have to see how this candle closes here.
Yep. Trying to. Oh, sorry.
Bless you.
Yeah, they're right at the overnight low here, right? Trying to
Yep.
hold. I just need
Yep.
confirmation.
Yeah, all tickers are technically at support here. Overnight low, previous low of day support.
Some lost structure, right?
Yeah,
Though.
some lost structure. Yeah.
Google, Tesla, and Microsoft. Even Meta, I think, but yeah. Feels like I'm blind. I hate this. Just need the confirmation with you that overnight was where it was.
Yeah, SPY and Qs are aligned here with their overnight low support here. Both sold to that. Although Qs is down a lot more, 1.2% compared to 0.6. Kind of a big difference there.
Structure-wise, though, it's the same.
Yeah, structure-wise,
Or
it's the same.
went up and
basically.
down. Yeah.
But I mean, it makes sense.
I don't-
Makes sense though. Tech has been very, very strong. So
I don't see any strength here at all on CVD. On Nasdaq here. On the overnight low. We're just printing lower and lower here. But Apple had a back test there. The only strong ticker.
Selling it here. Might need to switch to 4-hour to look at this. If this actually does sell, which it kind of looks like it is.
Yeah. Daily liquidity has 242, so that has still room. We're approaching the 50. We may here for 50. This. But, yeah.
Wonder if this could still get bought or not. We did run the liquidity. Kind of been doing that a lot. Take out liquidity and then flip, but based on tickers, it doesn't really look great. At least for now, anyways. 10 a.m. data here. Mm. A little bit of buying here. Not really, though.
I'm guessing someone slight have problem with trade weight. Closing positions. But not a widespread issue.
Yeah, mine
can you-
looks good for now.
Adam, have you doesn't work at all now? Is it like that?
Yeah, mine's just black screen, so I just logged out.
Oh, I'm just gonna try to relog them and see if I
And
have
then-
any problems.
Yeah, I mean, I restarted my computer as well, thinking it was just something about my computer, but that wasn't
Mm.
it. And then just hearing others or another friend had like a trade in, or they entered some kind of trade of their own, and you know, the trade order was delayed, and then apparently it just liquidated because it hit one of their stop losses. So it's just not working for them either.
I tried to relog on it and no problem at all.
Yeah, maybe it's just a couple people. I mean, not system wide per se, but yeah, I just logged out. So
Oh, well done, Hitch. Well done.
Oh, he took longs. Oh, nice.
Yeah, got 50 points. Yeah.
Yeah, these moves are very quick. I'll say that. Looks
Yeah.
quite volatile.
Yep.
Very, very volatile.
The candles are not that big. It just moves quite fast. They're not small, but no.
Nah, I'd say they're kind of big. That 1 minute candle,
Uh,
1 minute red candle is 50 points or 40 something points.
True. True. There's some buying on that low, by the way.
Mm.
I had a call, but couldn't talk. Made sense for that liquidity to be taken, and then saw some slight buying. Question is if it's gonna continue or not here.
It's a retest here.
Apple ticket doesn't look strong. Microsoft so buying, but
Yeah, other tickets look kind of right. I mean, unless it holds here, this candle gets
yeah.
bought and then be a hold overnight low, but yeah, I'd agree. It doesn't really look great for right now.
But that was overnight low retest, right? Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Building balance above 570, so down to overnight low.
AVGO kind of popped up there though.
Oh yeah. Oh wow, yeah, dude. Over 1%, yeah.
Still kind of leaning a little bit more short though, I'm not gonna lie. Bigger time frame structure doesn't look great, so that's kind of why I'm leaning a little bit lower still, but Maybe 1 minute each setting up here. Apple's trying to break out here though. That
5 minute
Yeah,
too.
Apple is. Yeah, Apple is strong. I'll give you that.
mm-hmm. It's kind of throwing me off here. Not really sure what to think.
It's hard here because it can hold here. Nvidia could get above overnight low here.
Yeah.
Oh. Microsoft it has resistance. Yeah, it's a bit hard to tell.
Looks like it might go here. And there she goes. Not super deep, but pretty decent amount of points. 70 points. I might give this a bit. Not gonna lie. It kind of looks like we want to like base here a bit. So that being said, I will be back really quick.
Mhm.
Alright, I'm back. Yeah, we kind of have an H setup here. A little bit. A little bit of one.
Did some of you guys hitch? Did you have problem execute? Because I see quite a lot on Tradify's website saying they cannot close positions.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Maybe it's only for prop accounts then. Maybe. I don't know.
Oh, you're on live. It's gonna send in the main chat. Yeah, but Hugo traded right. My limit at 60 didn't trigger for some reason. Did you get it to work, Hitch? Oh, I mean, Rich. Did you get it to work? I don't see any problem with the Doom or anything. That's why I see some buying here, by the way.
Yep. We're flagging though.
Yep.
What they don't like.
I'm sending the video here, trying to break about the overnight low. Mostly Apple went for a new high here.
Mm-hmm.
Microsoft.
Oh, look at AVG. Oh, look at that wick. Do you have that wick too?
What week?
Yeah, you probably don't.
Me?
Maybe not.
Oh.
Might just be me.
Also double pattern on 5 minutes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good. Should be able to take out overnight low here. Or previous low of day, sorry. Just above us. We didn't tag it earlier.
Yeah, we have imbalance field to 620 if you want to see side.
I might inverse this, I'm not gonna lie. I don't think I'm really convinced on the bind just yet. Maybe. I like this flag that we're setting up in though. So that's kind of what I'm looking at right now, but
Nvidia did found some strength there, though. Still for now. Yeah, W pattern playing out instead here. The flag, right? Oh, it
600
could
side.
still be.
Flag could still be sold here. Depends though.
Yeah.
I'm gonna do it, I think. It's risky here. For the 5-minute imbalance. Few up top. Alright, I'm in short. At 34.
Your stop will be at 64 then, right? You're
One
gonna
sec.
play.
Yeah, 64.75.
Oh, this is already some points. Wow.
Yeah, it's actually
Yeah.
a lot already. Decent, anyways. Not a lot. 30
No.
points. 600 psych. Yeah, I should trim here. Oof, that's too quick. That's too quick. I should have limits. Limit orders. There we go. I trimmed right there.
Yeah, same here. I trimmed.
Okay.
Ooh, wow. Wow.
I'm outmost. Outmost right there. Outmost.
Yeah.
Nice. Nice.
Yeah.
Wow, my entry was at 33.
Stop to break even. Don't let this flip. Yeah, I got a 83 and 78. 78 right there.
I got a 64 and a bit lower than that, I think. Wait.
64?
Yeah, my
64.
first trim. Yeah.
Nice.
Your numbers are super off.
No, no,
Philip.
no, 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 no. Don't listen to me. It's wrong, it's wrong, it's wrong, it's wrong. 60. Well, oh, that's some old order or something. No, it's not even the same hundreds.
That's what I was
My-
saying, yeah.
uh,
Alright, I'm gonna probably take
uh,
this. I'm all out here.
Yeah, yeah, I
I'm all
was
out.
out at 70 here.
Oh, nice.
No,
There we
no,
go.
no.
Beautiful.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
I'm out there at
So
58.
my trim was at 81.25. Okay.
Wait, what'd you say? Sorry, I wasn't listening.
581.
Oh, 81. Oh, no, yeah, okay, yeah,
Yeah,
basically
yeah,
right
yeah,
around mine.
yeah,
Yeah, you
yeah,
got
yeah,
better
yeah.
than mine, actually.
I was like, wait, what? Something's wrong. It scrolled down was like, no, that's not correct. This is the back test on the 1 minute, but yeah, when it's sell down this high like that, actually we could still just sell this. But yeah. Was 81 your no you had a 78. Yeah, okay.
At 83, 78,
Yeah.
and then 58.
Why does it say 666? 666. 600. We were not even at 666.
No, we were not.
No, it's well above the.
Wow, that was
No,
a nice
no,
entry.
no, my stop, right? Yeah, my stop. Okay, yeah, my stop. What's your stop at 66, Alex? Yeah, kinda. Okay, yeah, okay, kinda, almost, yeah.
My
Yeah.
stop.
No, yeah. Your stop was at 64,
64, yeah.
65. Yeah, my stop was at 66. Yeah. That's what I was looking at. Okay.
Let's see. Why did I short? Oh, reason for short. No, I was just thinking this is a pop to get sold here. Yeah, and the entry was based on 5-minute imbalance overhead and view up tap on QQQ. So shorted at resistance there. Reversal trade, and then yeah, obviously our stop was above to invalidate the short idea. And yeah, I was looking for just this structure to continue to play out. I don't really see the strength in tickers, and I feel like for me at least, the only driver there was Apple and AVGO, but with Apple breaking out from its flag, if it were to see a pullback, which kind of it did, that would be enough to actually drop the market down a little bit, because that was the only one with relative strength that was kind of holding us up. So that was kind of the idea behind that, because the rest of the tickers weren't really leading at all, really. They actually look still kind of weak, and we actually probably could actually pull another low, actually. Yeah, it looks like
Yeah,
it.
we could probably take a new end lot here, actually, based on how price looks.
Yeah.
So maybe we just let it go a bit too early, I think.
It's alright.
At least me.
I'm happy with it, honestly.
Yeah, it was good points. It was good points for me. That was exactly the 50 percentile from the open, from the high, by the
Yep.
way, we shorted.
Yep.
I wasn't able to say that because nobody of all my indicators are working except initial balance. But that is initial balance. You have a drive down, and the pop 50 percentile is the high probability short. So yeah, it was 1 point over it only, and it closed underneath it. And we
that was
filled
really
in
good.
balance on ES. Yeah.
Really good.
I was just thinking maybe it was a bit too early on that, bit too early, but you guess
Yeah, I
you're
was
good on
thinking of shorting at 600 actually, but I was like,
Yeah.
we're pretty close to view up. Might as well just wait. And then we gotta
wait for that.
straight tap into it. I guess it was a direct short off of it. But yeah, it worked. Very nice. Yeah, I'm happy with that. I don't know how many points that was, but it's a lot.
I think 55.60 on full size for me or something like that. I need to
Yeah.
calculate 2 points.
9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Yeah, 17k is what?
Yeah. 58 points maybe? 59? 60? I know it's a bit more, right? 60, 62, 63 points. Yeah.
Yeah, a little under
64.
little under 60, just under 60.
Yeah.
Yeah, for me,
Then Hayes.
I like Qs over NQ, at least for me. I don't know. I've been using Qs since day one. So, I don't know, I've kind of just stuck with it. I don't really know the difference between the two. Although what was nice is that the VWAP actually lined up. They did correlate with QQQ and NQ. They were in the same exact spot if you look at them. So it's just about the same confluence. That's usually what I'd really like to see, when they actually align. That kind of makes the location of wherever indicator I'm looking at more valid, especially with VWAP. If VWAP lines up at the same spot on Qs and NQ, I would say it's very valid level there. I don't really like it when they kind of, drift too far apart, because it's hard to tell which one's a little bit more accurate, but usually I'll tend to lean towards QQQ. But yeah, if you look, they were both aligned at the same spot when we shorted, so yeah, it was a really good entry as well. It's almost top tick, basically top tick, I'd say. Basically top tick short.
Five. I'm trying to calculate how many points I got on CFD. I didn't trim there. Because I trimmed on my other and then we popped out up, right? I couldn't trim. Then we got that new leg and I gave everything. 1.2k.
Staff introduction, Monday,
Oh.
Wednesday, Thursday, 10.
Brian, your mic. Thank you.
Oh, that was girl. Oh, we're going for the lows here. Right at the trend channel here,
Yeah.
500.
Really nice. Yeah, this
Okay.
is actually, this flag actually is still valid. We could actually probably break this maybe, but if tickers want to lead anyways, but based on the way they're setting up, it kind of looks like we want to do Google's flagging. That could maybe break down. But yeah, I guess we'll see. I don't know.
The only thing that's green today is PayPal.
Oh, really? Oh, nice. Oh, why does my chart look like this? What's going on with this?
Oh, almost not green though, but yeah. Why did I look? I did not look at that. Yeah, let's do it the way again. Well, that was a dangerous short and a very good short.
I liked it.
I think.
I don't think it
Yeah.
was that bad based on a bigger time frame as well. That's what I was also looking at.
No, no, no,
'Cause
no,
we
no.
lost
That's why I
structure.
said it's a really good place to short. But
Yeah,
I
hourly we
really like
lost
the
structure there.
entry.
So
Yeah, I really
so
like
broke
the
down.
entry.
That's the retest entry actually, right where we shorted at. Retest entry on the bigger time frame, because we broke down here on that hourly candle close, retested it right into view up, and then it's getting sold here again. So yeah, it looks
Very hard.
kind of good.
Look at the 30 minutes hourly. This is very, very hard to trade actually. So I think you did very
Yeah,
good there. Look at that reaction on that short squeeze. Hourly, 30 minutes sold directly, went up all the way above previous week low, quite high actually there, and then sold again, and now we actually are going under overnight low again. Very hard to get this short. I would